Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Tech. And today I have something quite interesting for you. I was scrolling Wish the other day, well not the other day, a few weeks ago, just to see what new scams they've put up recently. And I came across what they have advertised to be a pair of refurbished Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, the real ones at least, retail on Samsung's website for I think around £160. These ones, however, were £30 with shipping. So if these are real, which I doubt they are, that would be a massive steal. So the front of the box looks quite real actually. It's pretty much the same as the original ones. On the back, so it does look legit, all the information's there, all the legal symbols and stuff that you have to put on these packaging and stuff is all there. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Interestingly enough, actually, I'm not sure if you can make it out, but it does say made in Vietnam. Now I highly doubt that. I'm pretty sure these are made in China. I guess it goes with the theme of the rest of the box, which is, fake it till you make it. Okay, so let's cut into it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it looks real. I wonder if I took this to a Samsung store, if they would, just return it for me. So if you don't know, the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are actually glossy compared to the original ones, which are matte. So how the paper works, I'm not even going to bother opening those because we don't care. And damn! That is shiny. I'm not going to lie, it does feel cheap. I don't know if it's to do with the glossness of it. I feel like the matte ones made it look a bit higher quality, but these gloss ones, it hasn't got that much weight to it, to be honest. I don't know if the original ones do this, but these don't. It doesn't stay open, so I can open it, and then when I turn it over, it just closes by itself. I'll just check what else is in the box first. Yeah, I mean, Samsung did not package in a flimsy bag, and this is USB Type-C. Can't complain too much, but yeah, these tips definitely would not be packaged like this. Okay, so I've got my phone turned on Bluetooth. What should happen is that when you open the Galaxy Buds, it should automatically connect. It should come up with a pop-up saying that you've connected your Galaxy Buds because this is a Samsung phone. Now it hasn't done that. I have paired it in the Bluetooth setting, so I am connected to it. Well, I should be. Right, let's see if I try taking them out. I can't see it there. So it does connect to it, but it's recognized as being generic rather than a Samsung authentic device. So what I'll do is I'll open the wearables application. If these were real, they should be able to be detected by Samsung's wearable app. So disconnected from earbuds. Yeah, I can't control it, I can't do anything. If I click connect, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, so it's not being recognized as an authentic Galaxy Buds. So obviously these are not refurbished and are probably just some knockoffs or something that China have produced. What we will do though is just test out their quality, because even if they are generic knockoffs, why not have something that pretty much looks exactly the same as Samsung Galaxy Buds for a fraction of the price? As long as they sound okay and they connect relatively easily, then yeah, it doesn't mean you can't buy it. Personally, I'm gonna give these away maybe to my friend or something because I don't really need them. Yeah, well, let's test them out first. Alright, so let's listen to some Houdini. They are quite loud, I'll give them that. Let me just test the fit. Okay, so before I do that, actually, these aren't actually any buttons. These are touch sensitive on the sides. I can stop and start, so that function actually does work. If I long press, that's not doing anything. Okay, yeah, the right one gave me Google. It does seem to actually have that function, which is actually quite surprising considering how cheap they are. Anyway, yeah, so let's test out the sound quality. Okay, so it's not very good at distinguishing between accident touches, because any slight touch to it just pauses the video or whatever music you're playing. Okay, so the fit is actually pretty good. I mean, you can definitely like, you know, move your head and it doesn't come out. The wing tips really do help with that. The sound quality, I mean, it's loud, I'll give you that. The high end is quite tinny, and the bass is okay. You can hear it, but it's nothing to be excited about. They do get quite loud. They sound decent. I don't know. I'm actually quite conflicted because they look like Samsung Galaxy Buds. They sound okay, they sound decent. It charges USB Type-C. Unfortunately, I couldn't test out the wireless functionality of it in this video. To be honest, I'm not feeling the glossiness to it, you know, regardless of whether this is original or not. Just I prefer the matte finish of Samsung's previous ones. These are quite surprising for something that costs around £30 compared to the Life P2, which I've released a video of previously. Well, those ones, they look better, definitely. I do prefer the way the Life P2 from Soundcore looked, with the matte finish and the bronze accents. The battery life on that is amazing. I mean, it's advertised 11 hours of playtime. I think on Samsung's website it says 22 hours in total. So even if these were original, the maximum it would get would be 22 hours. Whereas the Life P2, yes, it's a bigger package, still it's 40 hours of playback. I wouldn't mind having a slightly bigger case and double the battery life, to be honest. And they also look better as well. So for roughly the same price, I mean, the Life P2s cost slightly more, but they do sound better. I will give them that. However, the fit of this is better. The wingtips, you know, regardless of the fact that, you know, the quality may be different or whatever, it just fits so much better. You know, you can feel confident to move and shake your head around. I haven't tested the core quality yet. So the thing with the Life P2 is that they have that stem, and I feel like that stem helps direct the recording, or the microphone rather, to your mouth.
Alright guys, quick update. Just wanted to let you know that you cannot take calls on these knockoff Galaxy Buds. They sound muffled, people can't hear you. If you're looking for a pair of true wireless earbuds to take calls with, don't go for these. Okay, let's go back to it.
But yeah, so this has been my unboxing of the Wish Samsung Galaxy Buds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments, please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Would you buy these Galaxy Buds even though they're fake? Let me know.